everyone, Olivia here. For today's video, let's do a no contact reading regarding sa person na iniisip mo while watching this video. Ano bang iniisip mo? Okay. Kumusta na kaya ang person mo? Anong nangyayari sa kanya? This is a no contact reading. Let's see kung anong meron sa person mo. I got Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, ito lang, adjust natin. Okay. Kamusta ang person mo? Ano nangyayari sa kanya? Anong meron? Let's see. Oh, we got 8 of Wands. Another. Kamusta yung person mo with our no contact update? Okay. Alright. I'm seeing here black jacket. Yung parang windbreaker style jacket. Windbreaker, ganon. Medyo matagal na kayong hindi nag-uusap ng person na to or separated ng person na ito. But right now, this person still thinking about you. Still contemplating if pwede pa bang mag-message or magme-message ba siya. Gusto niyang makipag-reconnect sa'yo ulit eh. Parang ang nakikita ko dito, may kailangan siya sabihin sa'yo, may kailangan siyang malaman. But still, iniisip niya palang ito. Or pwedeng makareceive ka ng message from this person. Some of you, medyo magkakaroon kayo ng confusion after reading this message or mabasa ang message niya. Some of you ay nasa LDR situation din. Pero this person, andito pa rin yung fire niya. Kapag naiisip ka niya, andun pa rin yung passion. Nararamdaman niya pa rin yung somehow kilig kapag naiisip ka niya at may kahaluang guilt. This person is watching you either through social medias, through different accounts, friends accounts, or nakikibalita siya through common friends. I'm seeing here gold jewelry, so pwedeng may binigay ka sa kanyang ganon or may binigay siya sa'yo or bibili ka ng ganon. But this person is trying to act like there is nothing wrong, where in fact, ginugulo ng presensya mo yung utak niya. Ang dami niya kasing hindi masabi-sabi sa'yo eh. Kaya this person is trying to distract yung sarili nila through work, achievements, iba't ibang places. Pero never kang nawala sa utak ng person na to. Meron din dito, maybe your person is mahilig sa cat or ikaw yung mahilig doon. Or you're someone na nag-awaken ng spiritual side ng person na to. Very significant kang tao for this person. Naging kasama ka niya. Somehow, nagkaroon ng growth and another meaning yung life this person din, kaya hindi rin siya makapag-reach out sa'yo kasi binabalot siya ng ego niya. Binabalot siya ng alam mo yung thought na, bakit ako magre-reach out? Bakit pa ako magre-reach out? Kahit na ilang beses na siyang kinakalabit ng intuition, ng thoughts, ng universe, ng guts niya to really just do it. May pagkamatigas tong person mo. It's their act to really hide what's their real feelings behind this connection. This person is really soft kapag nakilala siya. Siya yung tipo ng taong hinahide yung softness niya kasi ayaw niya ma-judge. Na nagiging dahilan yun ng sabihin na natin, nagkakaroon ng pagkasira sa kanyang emotional strength, yung ganon, tsaka mental. Namimiss ka pa rin ng person na to, naaalala ka pa rin naman niya. And ayun nga, never kang nawala sa utak niya. Expect a messages or a nudge from this person. Make sure lang that you are really ready and nasa tamang headspace ka kapag kinausap mo to. There's clarity coming in. There's a rush messages or message na manggagaling sa person na to. Kung titingnan siya, mukha naman siyang okay, pero he is not or she is not okay. They're not okay. And at the same time, still looking forward to really reconnect with you. And ayun nga, ang nagiging dahilan ng pagbagal ng energies na yon ay ang kanyang pride. And paniniwalang it's better to let it go than to clear things or to even ask for apology. And yeah, that's our no contact reading for today. Sa mga interested sumali sa aking live, I'm always active sa TikTok. Just check our description and yeah, see you sa next video. Thank you everybody.